In this video, I want to give you my Pure dating app review. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the Pure dating app is designed for people looking for casual connections without the pressure or complications of traditional dating apps. Its main idea is instant, honest, and no strings attached interactions instead of endless swiping or waiting for matches. Pure connects you with nearby users who are online and ready to chat right away. Perfect for those who prefer spontaneous encounters. So what sets Pure apart is its privacy-first approach. Profiles disappear after 24 hours and chats are temporary, meaning your personal information and conversations aren't stored long-term. The app also blocks screenshots to protect your privacy and gives users control over what they share. You can even join rooms based on shared interests, kinks, or vibes, which makes it easy to find people who are on the same page as you. Pure's interface is sleek, modern, and minimal. Signing up is quick, no long questionnaires, just a photo and a short bio. You can start chatting within minutes. Many users like that it feels more open and real than swiping apps with fewer fake profiles, thanks to built-in verification tools. Of course, though, it's not perfect. Some areas have fewer active users, and since it's geared towards casual dating, not everyone will find long-term relationships here. The free version is limited too, with some premium features like visibility boost and chat extension locks behind a paid subscription. But overall, the Pure dating app is one of the best choices for casual, safe, and private connections. It's simple, fast, and honest about what it offers. No games, no long bios, just real people looking for some fun. If you value privacy and want something straightforward in the casual dating space, Pure is definitely worth trying.